In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Jotform. By the end, you'll have your Calendly booking page embedded directly inside a Jotform, so people can fill out your form and pick a time without leaving the page. Start by opening Jotform and heading into the form builder for the form you'd like to use. You can use an existing form or create a new one. Either way, make sure you're in the Builder view where you can add and arrange fields. On the left side of the builder, click Add Element. You'll see standard form fields, but for this setup we want to use a widget, which is a special element that brings outside tools into your form. Switch to the Widgets tab. This is where Jotform keeps integrations like maps, payment tools, and scheduling embeds. In the search bar at the top, type Calendly. Jotform has an official Calendly widget that makes this connection simple. Click the Calendly widget to add it to your form. It will drop into your layout, and you can move it where you want it to appear, usually after your contact or intake questions, so visitors book after they've shared their details. Now, head over to Calendly and grab the link for the event you want people to book. This is typically found on your event type's share options. Make sure you copy the event link itself rather than your general profile page, and confirm the event is active and set to the correct duration and availability. If you run multiple event types, choose the one that makes the most sense for this form. Go back to Jotform and open the Calendly widget settings. Paste the Calendly event URL into the field provided. This tells the widget exactly which booking page to show inside your form. Click Update to save the settings. You should see the widget refresh with your scheduling interface. If it doesn't show immediately, don't worry, just proceed to preview. Use the preview option in the builder to test how everything looks to your visitors. You should see your embedded Calendly calendar load directly in the form. Try selecting a date and time to make sure the scheduling window opens correctly. Check your time zone label and verify that the widget height shows all the steps without cutting anything off. You can adjust the widget size later if needed. That's it. Your Calendly link is now working inside Jotform. Save your form and you're ready to share it. When people fill it out, they can book a time seamlessly, and Calendly will handle confirmations and notifications as usual.